What's up, y'all? About to make another belching video playing Zelda Majora's Mask. Alright, let's get started. Night, Deku Scrub. Nope. Good. I saved it. So let's just go through here. Let me through! Stop right there. I've used some errand in the swamp. It is dangerous outside the town walls, so I cannot allow a child like you to. A sword? My apologies, sir. It was wrong of me to treat you like a child. The southern swamp at Woodfall lies in this direction. Be careful. All right. All right, let's get this. What's up? What's up? Wasabi! What's up, G? You do not know me. Alright. Oh, you respawn, huh? Well, go respawn again in another world. Yeah, I don't need to know about the drawing on the wall, so leave me alone. This is what I gotta do. See what I gotta do? Hold on. Where am I at? Okay, let's see. To the old ladies. I had to go to the old ladies. I have to go to the old ladies and tell them what I gotta get and get the sister in the hospital, which is really actually just a conveniency. Hurry up, monkey.
Oh, help me. I was just busy minding my own business picking mushrooms when BAM! I got hit from behind. That pesky skull kid. Did he think an old hag wouldn't recognize him if he hit his face? Oh, ow! The thingy's that powerful, now I can't even move! Don't you have anything that gives you energy?
No, I don't, biatch.
Ah! What is this? You're no help. I say you're not at all what you make yourself out to be. Well, Sonny, go get me a potion. And the notion is in slow motion. I'm a locomotive, and I got locomotives, and I like to play in slow motion. Yeah, I already said that. I don't give a crap. And I'm gonna friggin' smack you. Yeah, buddy, it's the grandma freestyle. Tee. Welcome. My positions work very well, they do.
Well, your sister's in trouble.
What's that? A skull kid? Got the cue? That's ridiculous. If it's just a skull kid, then what harm could he possibly do? Oh! Well, if that's true, then take this potion to her. This isn't good.
You got a red bottle of red potion.
Quick! Take that door potion to her!
Okay, I will. Okay, I will, woman! If you are a woman, oh yeah, got the nuts. I'm nuts. Oh, get off me. Where am I going? This is faster to do this. Oh yeah.
Oh! Halloween! 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 I got some Halloween! Halloween!
Where'd he go? Oh man. Son of a gun. Lost him. Come on! Hurry up! We're going the wrong way.
I'm attracting some weirdo's attention. I'll just play dead.
She has a different voice now.
Ow! Yo, don't you feel obligated to help a sorry old hack when you see one?
Yes! I'm not messing up now. Just take the potion and drink it, and don't bother me!
Ah, that color, that smell. That's definitely Kotake's. Teriyaki chicken! Yummy! Wow! Whoa, Sonny, feel the energy flow! Humans revive! You saved me! I'm the swamp tour guide. I run the boat crew, so come on by if you want a free ride.
No, I don't have superpowers.
You have straight powers, no? Maybe watching you. Look at this swamp filled with poison water. Temple of the water called strange. Oh, brother Kudu, temple. But brother no able to find temple letters. Temple for Tiku only. Brother captured by Tiku now in palace.
Okay, little monkey. Little baby monkey.
Okay, let's go on an adventure. Let's go on an adventure, little buddy. Let's go on an adventure. Where you going? ahead, Bobbies.
Okay, I'm gonna get this way. Oh, hey, I'm gonna get this way. Whoa, I'm gonna go this way. Whoa, hey, whoa, oh. What is gonna happen to you? I'm going right through the door, and I'm gonna talk to this hole.
Well, this is where the boat cruise lives, but unfortunately it's for humans only.
Well, that's racist.
Oh, thanks for what you did back there. And a special deal just for you. I'll let you take this cruise for free. Ah, yes. We've got a special going on right now. So we're giving this out for free.
You got a pictograph box. You can shoot only one pictograph at a time. Wow! Medieval times.
If you take a nice picture from the boat, take it to that fellow over there. All right, the boat's leaving. Welcome to the boat cruise. Please set your pictograph box to sea, then see. Please enjoy the swamp scenery.
Okay, I will. I'm gonna drink the water too. I'm thirsty. Give me a water bottle. Something, man. Come on. Give me a water bottle. Oh, waterfall. Oh, yeah. Oh! That's not good.
The swamp water is poisonous, so please watch your step. Are you disembarking?
I'm gonna disembark at you. Cause I'm a big dog for sure. And you know that I'm gonna sock your nerves. Yeah, I'm gonna punch you first. I don't give a crap. You can lose your lunch, sir. And I'm gonna give a hunch to you. I wonder what they say if I talk to them in human.
This is the palace of the Tingle Kingdom. Only those unofficial business may enter. But you may enter to see the public humiliation of the foolish monkey who entered our king. Out of this hall straight to the world chamber. Without any other manners whatsoever.
I'll go through here. Whoa! Whoa! Oh boy. No. Well, Chop, you're the first customer I've had in a long time. Magic beans.
Magic beans. They sprout leaves as soon as you water them. That they do. I'll give you one free sample, so try planting it in some soft soil. You can always buy more.
Oh, thank you, you freaking weirdo. Eating beans and selling them in a cave.
What are you doing in the DQ Palace, dude? Oh man. Yeah, I got to get it right. I gotta tell them why. I got to tell them the one to get the rhymes. Yeah, I will get it every time. Yeah, get it right. What do you want to do? Make the monkey fool and we'll torture him there. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do, you bastard. Oh, yeah, I'm going to be fast, you see. Oh, yeah, planting these seeds. Yeah, you have to be planting these seeds all the time. Yeah, I'm going off at the top of the camp with these. Yeah, I'm watering the plants, you see. Yeah, I'm going to rant and rave. Yeah, I'm going to smack your face. I don't give a dang, okay? I don't give a dang a shit. You'll get hanged with it.
That was chunky.
Oh! Okay, that's it, dude. I gotta go. I gotta check my job app. Love you guys. Take care. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.
C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X.
Oh, man. All right, see you guys. Give me a like if you like this video. Give me a like for that, dude. And don't forget, if you're watching, subscribe and like the video. Come on, man. All right, help me out. See ya. Have a good day. God bless. Let's keep praying. Stay focused. And be great at what you do. Okay, love you. Bye.